There are people making six figures right now using AI tools that didn't exist 18 months ago. They're not geniuses. They're not lucky. They just learned to use these tools before the competition caught up. The AI gold rush is real, but like every gold rush, most people are digging in the wrong spots. I'll show you exactly where the money is flowing and how to position yourself on the right side of this wave. Opportunity 1: AI-powered services. Businesses are desperate to implement AI but don't know how. You don't need to be a programmer, you need to understand workflows. Learn to connect AI tools to existing business processes. Companies will pay $3,000 to $10,000 per month for someone who can automate their repetitive tasks with ChatGPT, Make.com, and Zapier. Opportunity 2: AI content at scale. One person with the right AI workflow can now produce what used to take a team of 5. But the key isn't just generating content, it's knowing what to generate. The winners research first, then use AI to execute at 10x speed. Quality prompts plus human editing equals content that actually converts. Opportunity 3: AI-enhanced existing skills. Whatever you're already good at, writing, design, coding, consulting, AI makes you 5x faster. That means you can either serve more clients or deliver better work at premium rates. The people making the most money with AI aren't replacing their skills, they're multiplying them. Pick one of these 3 paths and spend 1 hour this week exploring it. Not researching, actually building something. Ship a prototype, pitch a client, create a sample. Motion beats meditation every time. Subscribe for more AI money strategies.